Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use ZohoSign. If you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to click here, try it free for 14 days. Again, if you already own an account, completely skip this step. I will simply copy the email, paste it right here, and then add a password. I agree to terms and service and sign up. You can also sign in using Google if you want to. So let's start here. And now you're about to create a ZohoSign account and you will automatically become an admin for this account. How do you want to proceed? No, I don't need a separate ZohoSign account. Yes, I need a separate ZohoSign account. Create one for myself now. I'm going to click on that because I'm not going to join anyone. Organization name is going to be Sunwe LLC. That's my organization. Create account. Now let's just wait and voila. So the first thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to verify my account. Right here and verification. Verify. Access account. And here we go. So first thing first, what I'm going to show you is like what we can actually find in our ZohoSign account. So the interface. When I would click here on assign, I can send it for signatures, or I can sign for myself, or I can simply click on the documents. Here I would find all the documents from in progress, completed, declined, expired, or received. Then I have templates here. Templates, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own template. Sign-in forms, again, I'm going to show you how you can create your own sign-in form, and then reports. Like how many people are signing, if you have success with your signing documents, etc. And then you're gonna have the settings here. Now let me start and let me just first show you how you can simply send for signatures and how you can work with that. So how to send a document. Let me just write it up right here and just get here and click send for signatures. And you have option to upload a file or import a file. So I'm going to upload a file right here. And then I'm going to, let's say, profit and loss. So let's say this is a document that I need to get signed. And here, first thing first, I have recipients. So send in order, add bulk recipients, or you have option here. You can send in an order or no. I will simply add an email here. Let's say like this. Name. And you have option that the person needs to sign, receives a copy, in-person signer or approver. So I'm going to choose needs to sign. If he's going to receive a copy, he doesn't need to sign. If it's an in-person signer, he will get the document, but will he need to meet yourself? Or approver, that's someone who is going to approve if it can be sent someone else, right? So needs to sign. Then you have option to choose the language. And then you have option if it's going to be a private message. Add a private message that will be visible only to the selected recipient. Or what I can do, I can also add a code for verification. And then what I can do, I can add again another recipient. I'm going to have only one recipient that I'm going to send it to, but this is pretty much it how we do it. You can also add yourself here. See? So I'm going to add myself here for signing. So we're gonna have the document here. This is the document name that you can change if you want to. And these are the recipients. More settings. How many days to complete? Here's the question. How many days they are going to be for completion? I'm going to add 30. This is again up to you. Agreement valid until forever or select a date. So let's say I'm going to choose forever. Document type others. If I want, I can have more document types. So let's say this would be income. So I would have income. I would add description. I can add automatic reminders right here. and send a reminder every 5 days. And then I would click continue next to the cancel. Okay, and here the fun begins, where we are going to actually add the signing fields in our ZohoSign document. So first thing first, I would take a signature, and you have option. On the top right, you would see recipients, so you can add yourself or the recipient. Then on the left side, you would see that you can, continue. You can rotate right, rotate left. You can zoom in, zoom out, or you can even download it, the file. So let's say I'm going to add signature and just simply move it right here. See? And this is for myself. Recipient is, this is the guy that I'm going to send it to. Also myself. Required, resizable, signature name, data label. Easy. Then let's say I want to have also a sign date here. And I want to have company. So this is what I want from the guy who is going to sign it up. Then I'm going to choose me, and I'm going to also add signature. I want to add company right here, and I want to add a sign date. Voila, and here I got it. So now what I have to do is, when I fill everything with the fields and with the recipients, next to the back, you're going to see send. Please verify the number of fields added for each recipient and confirm. Voila, document has been submitted and sent for signature. So one is going to get to me and one is going to get on my email. So right now I'm going to open my email so I can actually show you how it actually going to look like. Look at this. Digital signature request has requested you to review and sign profit and loss PDF, the name of the document. Start signing, right click, open in incognito window. Right here, proceed to document, and I'm going to show you how it actually looks like. So here, I agree on continue, and look at this. Enter your company, Sunway, signature, and now you have option to add your signature or draw it or upload it. So I'm going to draw it, and I can have initials. So this is my signature. You can also upload your own signature. Okay. And I can move it and sign date today. Then I can also zoom in out, zoom in, and then I can also assign to someone else, print and physical signed, skip signing, decline, and then I would click finish. Voila, you have signed this document. This is how you pretty much do it. Really simply, really easily, guys. And look at this. We're gonna have, I think, also the signing for the document to here. And this is how we do it. So this is how we can send for signature. In documents, I would find it right here. In reports, we have no data available for right now. Look at this. I'm going to also sign it for myself. But before we go, I want to show you one thing what you can do. If you go to ZohoSign, you can send for signatures, but you can sign it for yourself. And you can drag the document right here. So let's say someone sent it to your Gmail and you want to sign it. What you can do is to simply move your file right here and sign it. Really simply, easily, as we did it with when we were signing the signature. If you want me to, I can create a tutorial on it, or I will show it straight away. So let's just first sign the document that we get on our email too. Start signing, proceed. Agree. Look at this. We already see that it's signed by our person, signature. Okay. Sign date today. Look at this. And then click finish. This is how we do it. Really easy, really simple. Now I see the status in my documents are completed. See? Recipient status, you can see clearly. Mark Kamenitsky, mailed, viewed, signed. This is my own email, mailed, view, signed. So everything is signed, everything is like cool, super cool. And this is pretty much it, how we can do it and how you can easily sign a document and how we can easily sign and send a document. Now, if you can have any questions about this signing part, let me down below in comments. Let me show you the next thing, and that's how you can create simple template. Templates are amazing in that regard, is that when I'm going to create a template, I can always use it. So when I'm going to, let's say, click upload here, and I'm going to choose again profit and loss, I'm going to edit template profit and loss. I'm going to add a person here, needs to sign, and then continue. This is the whole process as when we were creating documents. And let's say I'm going to have only him. So I will have a company, signature, sign date, save. Voila. Now what I can do, I can create a sign form directly from the template. I can go right here on the click and I can create sign form. Name and email for the first signer should be empty. Oh, okay. So this is how we do it. Send for signatures. I can import it right here, but I need to go on the template, click on the template, and needs to add book recipients. So this is how we can do it. Need an email for the first signer should. Ah, okay, I understand, I get it. Name and email for the first signer should be left empty. Aha. Okay, I understand it. So you need to create it again and have this empty. And then you will be able to do it. Then you will be able to create a sign form. Now, let me show you how this is how you can create templates that you can use, right? Let's delete this. And now how we can create sign forms. This is similar comparing to templates. So I can go to the right, create a sign form, choose a template, and this is where I would find it. But let me show you. So first, template. I'm going to delete this. Add it right here. Email, no. Okay, profit and loss 1. Okay, and I'm really thinking right now. Continue. Signature, save. I'm just really trying to set it up why it's not working. And then when I'm going to click on assign forms, create a sign form, choose a template. Yeah, I can do it for some reason. So when I'm going to click on it and I can create a sign form from this, name and email for the first signer should be left empty. But I can leave it empty. If you know the solution for this, guys, let me down below in comments because I got no idea. I know that I can extend it, I can send reminder settings, completely understand, but when I want to create a sign up form, name and email for the first signer should be left empty. This is the recipient. Name and like this. Oof. Maybe like this. Opa. Maybe like this. Okay, let's test it out. Maybe this is what it wants from me. I got no idea, guys. Let me down below in the comments if you know how to create this solution. Like, I create a tutorial for you, but yet I don't know how to do this. Click save. Okay, let's say I'm going to add just a signature here. Click save. Okay, I have it right here. And then create sign up form, name and email. I don't know. I got no idea how to work with the templates, guys, here. Name and email for the first signer should be left empty. But what does I got no idea what it means. So I hope I helped you somehow. You can also create sign up forms here, but I got no idea why it doesn't allow me to do it. Maybe you will let me know down below in the comments. I just showed you how you can easily create a ZohoSign document. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I know this video wasn't that great. I understand it, but I got no idea how to do this. I got no clue. Like, what I'm actually doing wrong here. Got no clue. So yeah. But when I want to don't have I don't know. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.